Lesson 9, Travelling. First, let's look at road transport. Driving the car. Ag tomáint an chóir. Parking the car. Ag pórcáil an chóir. On the motorway. On motorveilach. Looking for a parking space in town. Ag lorg áit parcála sa chathair. The traffic was bad. Bhí an trácht go dona. Now listen to these phrases and repeat. I was driving the car on the motorway. Bhí mé ag tomáint an chóir an motorveilach. The traffic was bad in town. Bhí an trácht go dona sa chathair. Now try saying driving the car in town. Ag tomáint an chóir sa chathair. Now, some questions you might have when travelling by bus and train. What is the fare to Ondaingen? Cén táille le dul go dtí Ondaingen? Does this bus stop in Dunleire? Unstoppen an bus seo in Dunleire. How long is the journey? Cé chomh fada a thógan an turas? Where do I get off? Cén áit a thagam den mus? Can I see the train timetable? An féidir liom clár ama na tréanach a eicáil. Where is the train station? Cá bhfuil an stáisiún tréanach? Now listen to these phrases and repeat. What is the fare to Dunleire? Cén táille le dul go dtí Dunleire? How long is the bus journey? Cé chomh fada a thógan an turas bus? Now try saying, how long is the train journey? Cén aid a thógan an turas tréanach? Travelling by plane. My flight, I am flying, is first thing in the morning. Tá mé ag eitilt an chéad maidin. We have to check in 2 hours in advance. Cahamid sheicáil isteach rá uair chloig rim ré. I have one piece of hand luggage. Tá píosa amháin bagáiste láimhe agam. Now, listen to this phrase and repeat. I have to check in for my flight 2 hours in advance. Caithe mé sheicáil isteach don eitilt rá uair chloig rim ré. Travelling by ferry. Is there a car ferry? An bhfuil bád fear an tóireachta ann do Ghluaisteáin. How much is a round trip to Wales? Cé bhéad atá thuras filte go dtí an bhreatain mhig? Where can I get the ferry to the Aran Islands? Cá bhí mé an bád go dtí na Hileáin árainn? What time is the last ferry back to the mainland? Cén uair atá an bád deireanach ar ais chuig an mhórthír? Now listen to this phrase and repeat. Where can I get a car ferry to Wales? Cá bhaidh mé, bád fear an tóireachta do ghluaisteáin, go dtí an bhreatain mhig.